Hey guys, welcome back to Snacks with UK. In this is just going to be a quick video. I'm going to be sharing this Discord server that I made for UK sellers and also USA, Australian and Canadian sellers if you want to join, because there are channels for that. So this is a Discord server, so if you have Discord, I highly advise you join this server because we give daily tips, we share our restocks and give like inspiration. We share like our menus like this guy did. And yeah, this is like the server. We have lots of channels. I just revamped it, so we've got general channels, question answer, tips, restocks to avoid trouble, comeback strategy, money, sales, footage, goals, couple drop, off topic business, gaming, dank memes, hype. And we are working on lots of emojis and more roles. So anyway, I will leave the server link in the description, so I'm just going to make one right now. So this is going to be the link for the minute. https://discord.gg/S, lowercase q, capital T, lowercase a, c and s, but I'll leave it in the description if you don't want to type that in. So yeah, link in description. Bye.